friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and easy butter popcorn at home. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Let's get started. Today I've taken some popcorn seeds in a 250 ml glass. Take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, add about 4 tablespoons of oil. Now when the oil is hot, let's add the popcorn seeds. These popcorn seeds are readily available in departmental stores. To this, let's add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. The turmeric powder gives a nice flavor to the popcorn. Now stir fry for about 20 seconds. And close the popcorn seeds with a lid. Now in about a minute, you will hear the popping sound of the popcorn. When all the popping sound settles, switch off the flame and slowly open the lid. Now the popping sound has settled. Now we can see a delicious and crispy popcorn is ready. Now let's add sufficient salt to the popcorn. Sprinkle it slowly around the popcorn and mix it thoroughly. It's super crispy and super tasty. Now let's prepare the butter. In another pan, let's heat about 3 tablespoons of butter. Melt the butter slowly in slow flame. You can see now our butter is nicely melted and golden in color. Now let's transfer the popcorn into a bowl and slowly pour the butter on top of the popcorn. And mix it well. It's super tasty and super easy. It's the best snack for movie time. So do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.